In this video, we demonstrate how to use Excel table. Now, this is my data that has name, region, and amount. And how do we create an Excel table from this? We use Control T, that is a shortcut. Then says, where is the data? My table has headers. You say, yes, these are my headers. If you didn't have, I would untick this, but this has headers. So I'll say, okay. And by this way, I've created a table. Let me undo this and go back. The other way to do this is to go to Insert, then click on Table, brings the same dialog, say OK. Now, what we are going to demonstrate is the benefits of using a table. As you can see, there is an automatic design that comes with this being a table. So if I want to change the design, I go on top here, just click on this, you can click on the down arrow here, I can change the design as I wish. So the other designs that we can do, play around with, they're on above here. For example, you see my table has headers. When you click on the table, it brings this tab called design. So on top here, we have header row. If I click there, the header goes off. I want to bring it back, I click on this. Branded rows are these rows here, which change color as we move down. So if you didn't want those, you just click on that and they go off. Branded columns, now if you want columns to be branded just like the rows are, we can remove the rows, then what you can see now, they are branded. So there's this automatic formatting that you get when you change this into a table. So we have last row, column, shades it. First column, shades it. So there are all these benefits that come with a table. Now there on top here, we have filters. One of the things that we get when we change data into a table, we get these filters here. So you can filter by, you choose a particular letter that you want, or person, then you say, okay, it will just filter that. So this, if I want C, just bring C alone, go back, remove the filters. And of course, there is also additional filtering here, where you can filter by color and the rest. You can also filter by region here. I say I want north alone. This gives you north. Remove the filter, you go back. You can also filter by values. Now, lastly, the other thing I want to show you that comes with a table when you convert Excel to a table is this total row here. So I click on that, automatically I get a total row. It gives me a word total and gives me the total of these figures here. If I add this, I get to the same total that it has here. Now, there are other things that can be done. It's not only this total. As you can see, there's a drop down that comes here. If we utilize this drop down. If you click on it, we have average, gives us average of the numbers, gives us the count of the numbers is 8. You can get the minimum, you can get the sum, standard deviation, and so on. So there are a lot of things that you can get here. And here we also have more functions that you can explore. So it doesn't only happen on this column, but it also happens on this. Here we can get, of course, we can't get the sum because the sum will be 0. These are not numbers. Nor can we get maximum and minimum. By default, it turns to 0. However, we can get the count. The count is 8. But if we tried count of numbers, these are not numbers, so it gives us 0. So these are some of the functionalities that you come or you get when you change your data into a table. It comes with design, you get filters, you get automatic columns for a number of calculations like sum, minimum, standard deviation, count, and so on. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.